Namaste parents. Hi dear children. Welcome back to language class. In today's language class, we shall work with the language workbook. In the language workbook, open page number 30 where we have module 2 long O sound. In the previous class, we have learnt O-E and O as long O sound. In today's class, we shall learn OA as O and terminal OE. Let us see with few examples. OA. When two vowels come one next to the other, the second vowel remains silent and the first vowel takes its name as its sound. Got it, children? When here letter O and A both are vowels. Letter A remains silent and letter O sounds as O itself in this set of words. Let us see few picture cards. Goat. When I say goat, goat, the first sound that we listen is G. After G in the word goat, we listen to the sound O, G-O-T, for which I place O and A both together. Letter A remains silent as I told you earlier and letter O takes its name as its sound. G-O-T. The last sound that we listen in the word goat is T. Let us see one more example. It is soap. When I say soap, soap, the first sound that we listen is S. After S in the word soap, we listen to O, soap, for which I place O and A both together. After O, the last sound that we listen here is P. Soap, soap. Children, in this set of words, even though we write O and A both together, it sounds as O. Letter A doesn't say its sound in this set of words. Be careful while reading. Okay. OE as O. Let us see few picture cards. The first picture card that I am going to take is toe. When I say T-O, toe, the beginning sound that we listen is T. After T, in the word toe, the next sound that we listen is O, where we place O and E both together. T-O, toe. Children, I have already told you that when two vowels comes one next to the other, the second vowel remains silent and the first vowel takes its name as its sound. The same thing happened here also. T-O, toe. Got it? The next picture is do. D-O, do. When I say D-O, do, the first sound that we listen is D. And after D in the word do, the next sound or the last sound that we listen is O, where I place O and E both together. Letter E remains silent and letter O takes its name as its sound. Got it, children? Let us work with the activities in textbook regarding the same concept. In the language workbook, in page number 33, we have an activity to write OA, write the names of the pictures. We have a help here, a hint box for our help. If we need, we can take it to name the pictures given. Coat, coat, coat. Letter OA, we read it as O. Toaster, T-O-S-T-E-R, toaster. OA as O. Cockroach. K-A-K. R-O-Ch. Here you can see O and A makes O sound. Cockroach. Foam. Om. Foam. Road. R-O-D. Road. OA takes the sound O. Boat. B-O-T. Boat. Here also letters OA takes the sound O. After completing this, still we have some more activities to do. Trace and write the words. Toad, roast, coach, soak, float and oath. Children, you have to trace the words and copy the same in the space provided. I expect also you to read the words while tracing and writing. After completing this, still we have some more words to read. The words given are moat, coal, foal, goat, goal, coast, shoal, throat. Oak, loaf, boast, oat, moan, stoat, cloak and bloat. After completing this, let us move on to page number 34. We have to write the names of the pictures with OE as O. The pictures are aloe. Children, you can take the help of the hint box given. Aloe. It is a aloe vera plant. We call it as aloe here. OE takes the sound O. Aloe. Doe. D-O. Doe. Letter O. OE takes the sound O. Toe. T-O. Toe. OE takes O. The sound O. After completing this, let us move on to the next activity to trace and write the words. I'll read the words for you, children. You have to read them, trace them and copy the same in the space provided. The words given are ho, wo, fo, goes, tiptoe and oboe. After completing this, we have one more activity to do in page number 34. That is to change the first letter and write the rhyming word. Children, what are rhyming words? Yes, the rhyming words are one with different beginning sound, and apart from the beginning sound, all other sound remains same. Got it? We have worked on rhyming words in the previous classes already. So I have written the rhyming words for all the given words after changing the first sound. I will read them for you. You have to complete it in your textbook. Goat, boat. Letter G has been changed to B. Cone, tone. C has been changed to T. Wo, fo. W has been changed to F. Fold, told. F has been changed to T. Boast, toast. B to T. Hope, mope. H and M. Vote and note. Roll and told. Dear parents, help the child to learn the concept and complete the work. After completing this, we have similar activity in language practice book also. In page number 7. In page number 7, we have an activity to trace and write the words containing OA and OE sounds. I'll read the words for you, children. You have to trace them and write the same in the space provided. Road, toast, soap, soak, float, boat, ho, wo, fo, goes, tiptoe and canoe. After tracing and writing these words, we have one more activity to do here. Unscramble and write the words with long O sound. The first word is roast. Trace the letter R and then write roast. Toes, toes, toes. and vote. 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 After completing this, here we have a sentence to read. The antelope and the doe saw a boat floating on the lake. The goat and toad jumped on it. Dear parents, kindly help your children to read, write, and learn the concept taught. Thank you.